Alpha Smart Indian Bell. Do not change the lock. You can also have a free-wall doorbell. Do you wonder why? Please locate the little theater bill.
A beautiful woman is removing the door lock. Her friend came over and asked her what she was doing. She said she wanted to replace the old lock and get one with a visual doorbell. That's when her friend brought her the Alpha Smart doorbell. It says that the doorbell is ready to be used by removing the adhesive on the back and attaching it to the door.
Yes, this doorbell is installed wirelessly and have a high-definition camera. Thanks for watching this.